right, day 2. Not tired, not at all. Not from the long day yesterday. No, not at all.
Never.
We're 3-3. We got 2 rounds today. Hopefully finish out with the winning record of 5-3. We're gonna do our best, kick some booty, and hopefully wake up. All right, real quick vlog update. Day 2. This poor kid is hit.
Still day 2.
It is kind of.
A day full of battleships. Right?
Yeah, day full of battleships. Not day 2 as far as tournament wise. Everybody plays 2 rounds today. But you hit Dragon Bolt Guard again. It's unfortunate.
The third one.
Third time. That's ridiculous. That's not what we want to see. So it is what it is. We move on. One more round and then we're gonna go have fun. Watch.
We're so proud of you.
Hopefully watch Trevor Reed win a World Championship here and take Asher to go get a gold dingo tattoo on his ass, because that's what Asher said. And I'm holding him to it.
Yeah.
Not only that, he has to chug a bottle of maple syrup, go to Canada, and wave the Canadian flag.
Never mind the fact that he's allergic to sugar, but go ahead.
Yeah, that's fine. But we're holding him to it. So go win it, Trevor.
In round number 9, you win the game.
Game 1 after game 1, right? But it was still a lot of fun. They decked me for game 1, and then they apparently saw it, which is why I was like, what did you bother killing? Like, if they already saw it or whatever, right? But they like, and then we checked them again after the second game, probably because they were trying to see they saw the mark, like, okay, this is a mark on a single copy card versus these. So then they watched my game to see if I was looking for this, and then if I was looking for it, they could just go for DQ, right? Play. But because they didn't see me looking for it at all, I didn't know it was there. They de-spin it for DQ down to just a game loss because they said they're like, we confirmed it wasn't malicious. So that's the only way they confirmed it was malicious. And they're both watching that game too after that deck check, which I thought was just at the top table. But they were watching to see if I was like stacking the fez, right?
First ever game loss?
I've been playing
and all play Pokemon ever. First ever game loss.
2008 as my first ever game loss, and I had 1 double prize penalty back in Portland 2014 for actually double scoring.
Okay.
But that's this is my second actual like penalty.
Had a game loss, and it's at Worlds.
Yeah.
And if you win, you're top 8.
Yeah.
And it's because it's
a hard spot to do it.
Let's look at it. It's like tiny little accidental nail dent maybe, or even an opponent could have done that.
Yeah, it was on my fez, but yeah.
Right. Oh, ridiculous.
I mean, to be fair, if it was an Eastern Pro, that looks.
Yeah, of course, absolutely, but clearly not intentional because they finished watching you play out. And
it sucks. Like, I mean, like maybe I still lose that set. Maybe I still lose the set, but it would have given me that third game because I beat him game 2, and he let me go first game 3, even though he had like to choose. But I prized Baby Dango and Eastern Pro in the mirror match, and I just died. So having that third game to potentially draw, especially if he chooses to go first against, or chooses to go second against me, so I had like initiative because we both finished playing Baby Dango. He was also playing a bundle, but like I knew that, so I was just playing around it. Right. But yeah, it just sucks.
Side-by-side video.
Oh, it's a video. Oh my god.
That was good. All right, we're gonna double check this deck.
I'll do better next year. Yeah. Win it in 2 money and then 64, which 64 Worlds feels awful. You get no money, no anything. They at least give you pack prizing. Back then they didn't give you pack prizing even. Yeah. Let's see. Are we doing like, is this live right now?
Yeah, I'm not live. I'm just recording.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you want me? Am I like going through these? to the
I
cards?
just want to look through and see if there's anything else that they could have potentially called out, and if they were just being assholes.
I mean, like, nothing on these ones at all. Nothing on the Pokemon.
Trading card game senior division players. That is time in round number 10. TCG seniors. That is time in round number 10.
Like, nothing on the. Honestly, like nothing on.
Nothing else is popping out.
No.
Okay. That's not.
Nothing on these either.
Okay. So I guess we're fair. I guess we're fair. Nothing to be too sour about.
The thing is, like, at the end of the day, like.
Forever reading the list. There's the 60 top
60.
32 at Worlds 2025 Anaheim.
Deck was super sick. The 4 Cypher went crazy. Basically every single game, for the most part, I am setting up and doing whatever I want to do. At the end of the day, honestly, other than like the game loss and prizing eSearch Pro was like kind of what killed me.
What killed you?
Even in the games that I like, the 2 rounds I lost, I mean, like, to be fair, Piper was farming me. There's just list difference.
Yeah.
Just better than mine in the match, especially. And then the Dingo lost 2 day 1 was just because he played Baby Genocide and I prized Scrapper games 2 and 3. So like, honestly, prizing more than anything is what sunk me outside of like my match with Piper.
Did Piper get any token kisses on you?
No, but like
I was curious about that.
Basically, the third game against, so the first game against Piper, she didn't need the token kiss. I just like, my eSearch Pro was prized and I couldn't get anything going.
Gotcha.
Game 2, she did 1 token kiss flip, and if she got heads, she would have beat me 2-0, but she failed it, so I won.
Okay.
And then game 3, she didn't even have to use the token kiss because I prized eSearch Pro again and Baby Dango.
Oh my gosh.
So
yes,
so then
prizing that
the third
Energy
game was
Search
kind of a
Pro
farm.
sucks.
Yeah, basically the third game was basically like, alright, I gotta shove Dango EX and just hope, but then there's like on her first mission, she's like, Arvin, you're like an eSearch Pro. I'm like, yeah, so she didn't even need to set up a token kiss because, like, you know, she had blue ciphers in hand always and just been like, yeah, I would
Well, great freaking run, dude. We are super proud of you, man.